The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Saturday, and every Saturday is a day dedicated to our Blessed Lady. In our Gospel, Jesus Christ knew that the scribes, the Pharisees, were trying to put him down. But instead of facing them, he retreated away from them and let those who believe in him come and follow him. We can learn from our Lord Jesus Christ today. Not every time that we are turning our back from our enemies, from our detractors, from our bashers, it's being a coward. No, it's actually being brave. Because as we say, not every battle is worth fighting for. Not every enemy is worth facing. Not every detractors is worth making an argument with. And not every criticism is worth listening to. If we know that we are on the right thing, if we know that we are doing what is good, and if in our conscience, we know that we have no evil intentions. So even if other people will try to pull us down, it's all right. Because as we always say, the best response to those people who are trying to put us down is making it sure that we succeed and we remain faithful in the mission that we are doing in our life. So today, in the day of our Blessed Lady, let us imitate her. Continue saying our yes to God, no matter how many people will try to put us down. God bless.